Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm talking you through the beautiful Graceful collection by Mintay Papers. This is a brand new collection from Mintay Papers that was released this year, and it's a beautiful, beautiful collection. Let's have a look at the sticker sheet first. We've got the words story time, memories are forever, your special day, love yourself. Love is in the air. A little birdie told me, the most adorable girl, you've got a big heart, make a wish. So it's a very feminine collection. You can see that it's got the lovely lilac colours with aqua and pink. Some beautiful fussy cutting elements here. We've got a lovely window, a lantern, some vintage sort of items, and on the back we have a pink stripe. Let's take a look at the 12 by 12 papers that come in the kit. First of all, we've got that same page on the back of the front cover. We have a beautiful girl here in a lilac dress, just sitting in front of a door. There's beautiful images in this collection, plus we have a soft purple stripe. This is a beautiful page with images on the bottom, images on the top, and on the back some lovely tree branches. Here we have our girl again sitting in an open window. A lovely lilac page on the back. This is a beautiful page. We've got wreaths, we've got windows. That's lovely. We've got a light pink with our spots, white spots on the back. This is a great page for fussy cutting. This is fabulous. And we've got our aqua page with the tree branches. Here we have our 3x4s that you can cut out, or you can use these as a card. I love these 3x4 pages. They get me excited about making cards. And on the back, some beautiful frames. Very vintage. Look at that pink frame. I wish I had that in real life. So now we're going to see those pages again. Got the stripe on the back. I love the Mintay papers because they really can create a quick and easy layout. There's so much detail in their designs that you can create layouts quickly if you want to. You can also put a lot of time and effort into your layouts using these papers as well. Plus they're awesome for card making, and I love these frames. These frames are perfect as well. There is so much that you can do with the Mintay papers. This collection I'm really excited to use because I love the colours and I love the feminine sort of style to the papers. What do you think you might like to make with the Mintay Graceful papers? Let's take a quick look at the 6x6 paper pad. You get some more frames here that are different. And then you get the same pages that we looked at in the 12 by 12, but obviously these are on a 6x6 size page. So this is more useful for card making, mini albums, and smaller projects. Colors are just amazing. Lots and lots of flowers and leaves, which is always great for fussy cutting and embellishing. It's a very, very pretty collection. Let me know what you think about the Graceful collection in the comments below. And if you have any requests of what you'd like me to create. I would love it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely crafty day.